We are back with another one. It's your boy Capital Don, aka Capology Facts. It's all about the motherfucking bars. You bitch. Welcome to Capo Reacts. We are here, people. We are we are here. You know what I'm saying? I got a video today. You know what I mean? It's called Puppet Show by XG. About to watch this and react to it. Now, mind you, everything I'm reacting to, I might clip and see about 5 seconds to see if this is it or real or whatever. You know what I mean? And so after that, I'm done listening to it. So these are my normal reaction, my first reaction to the music. And we're gonna get right to it, man. I ain't gonna waste no time. You know what I mean? This is called Puppet Show. Shout to XG, shout to all the alphas, the wolves. They got a project dropping really soon, and they going on the world tour really soon. And shout out to them. I can't wait. I might go ahead and pull up to one of those shows. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple of weeks of vacation, so yeah, we gonna see. But we're here. Puppet Show. XG. Let me hear what you're talking about on this one.
It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out. You ought to know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't up for debating. Boy, stop playing, boy, it goes a different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no. Welcome to the puppet show, where we playing with the plastic dolls. They'll do anything when you got them hanging by a string. Gonna play it like the toys. We'll make them do what we enjoy.
That beat right there, boy. That I want a whole joint of that right there. You know what I'm saying? That well, the beginning song, it was more of a what's it called, rave vibe, more of a what's they called, not raves, I forget what it's called, but I'll think about it here in a little bit. But yeah, it gives me that type of vibe, dancing, like, just like, and then it just drops into this like this other type of vibe, more of a not hip hop feel, more of a it's something around more of a hip hop. It's still, you know what I mean, that more pop, like, it's one of those. But that shit's dope how they just transitioned and made it feel like a whole nother song, to be honest.
Welcome to the puppet show, where we playing with the plastic dolls. They'll do anything when you got them hanging by a string. Gonna play it like the toys. We'll make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything when you got them by a string. Don't like a look at this picture, or you think that I'm in love with you. From your river, that you was lit to lead the true action. I'm Louis my way, ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like Babalisha with it. I'm a controller, play like Atari. It ain't game until I say so. Got automatic when I want for it to please me. Might just make you do the things I want you to. Playing Puppet Master, everything's so easy. I'll make all of my own dreams come true. Ooh. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we'd be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no. Welcome to the Puppet Show. Where we play 'em like they're plastic dolls. Like they're plastic dolls. They'll do anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string, gonna play 'em like they're toys. Make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything. When you got 'em by a string. By a string, yeah. Follow my lead. Just leave a whole thing out.
You know what I mean? I'm liking how they're putting this together, though.
Expertise, yeah. Welcome to the Puppet Show, where we play 'em like they're plastic dolls. They'll do anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string. Welcome to the Puppet Show, where we play 'em like they're plastic dolls.
Okay.
They'll do anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string. Gonna play 'em like they're toys. Make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything. When you got 'em by a string.
I see that again.
Welcome to the Puppet Show, where we play 'em like they're plastic dolls. They'll do anything. When you got 'em hanging by a string. Gonna play 'em like they're toys. Make 'em do what we enjoy. They'll do anything. When you got 'em by a string.
Jury. Yeah, y'all doing y'all thing. Mm-hmm. All right, that's the end of that. That's the end of that. Yo, look, man, XG's one of those, man. Yeah, I'm enjoying watching it and finding things on them and listening to it. You know what I'm saying? They very dope. Yeah, if y'all ain't in tune, y'all need to get in tune. But with all that said, man, y'all know the vibes, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share, comment, do all those things, man. Tell me anything. Not anything, but tell me something. Tell me something in the chat, man. I know y'all gonna correct me on something, man. You know what I mean, y'all, it's like it's starting to be almost a same comment all the time. I'm an old man. Look, Jesus. You know, first thing that goes is your brain. You know what I mean? I'm learning, okay? With all that said, man, it's the old man on the block. I just want this spot right here. That's it. That's all. Talk to y'all later, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Welcome back to Capo Reacts. It's your boy Capital John, aka Capology Facts. It's all about the motherfucking bars, you bitch. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit the bell, hit the all option, hit the like button, please. It's for free. You know what I mean? Comment, share, all those type of things. I appreciate y'all. I'm back with another one. XG New Dance. I'm about to react to this one and this one. We're gonna get right to it. Let's see what they're doing on this one. Uh-huh.
To the X. All the late girls get down with the X. Fly with my girls to the party. We come to bother nobody. We just gonna have a good time. Moving our body. See me get it down on the floor. I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. They asked me how I do that. Stepped on the floor when I'm killing them. All the cute boys when I dance with me, I'm getting them. I just put my hands up on my hips and I do a little step on my feet like this. Don't you get it dizzy trying to keep up with me? I've been moving so fast and whiplash to blow past your girlfriend. Yeah, we get it down with the get down. If you don't know how to do it, I just learned a new dance. 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 To the X. All the late girls get down with the X. Fly with my girls to the party. We ain't come to bother nobody. We just gonna have a good time. Moving our body. See me get it down on the floor. I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. Ask me how I do that. First thing you gotta do if you're gonna do is slide to the left and the right now. Dip your hip low like me, baby. Look at me, let me find out. You gotta do it, gotta move it to the music like you really feel the rush now. You wanna hold back, go crazy, yeah, you got it. I just learned a new dance. 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 To the X. All the late girls get down with the X. Ready for the rush now. You wanna hold back, go crazy, yeah, you got it. I just learned a new dance. 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 To the X. All the late girls get down with the X. Fly with my girls to the party. We ain't come to bother nobody. We just gonna have a good time. Moving our body. See me get it down on the floor. I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. Ask me how I do that. We just wanna dance all night. This beat has got me feeling alright. So take the step and turn around. Spin around, touch your head to your toes. As long as you're steady, keep your eyes on the floor. Don't care who's watching, let me show you how it goes. Pop, lock it, not drop it. I mean on the move and I be not stop it. Never miss a beat, we got the hip hop it. Ready for this moment, never gonna let it go. Turn up the music now. Get up, this is your time. So here we go, let them know. I just learned a new dance. 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 To the X. All the late girls get down with the X. Fly with my girls to the party. We ain't come to bother nobody. We just gonna have a good time. Moving our body. See me get it down on the floor. I walked into the show. I just learned a new dance. Ask me how I do that.
Okay, new dance. That's like look, XG brings out the fun, the high energy, all the multiple colors. Their videos are bright, colorful. It heightens your all your senses. You know what I mean? And I love their visuals. It looks like they be having fun. Um, I got to see actual dancing than just what's going on in other areas of the world today. I'm just saying. Um, but no, with that said, man, XG with another one. I really appreciate XG. That was called New Dance. Let me see when that came out. It's probably 2 years ago too. You know what I mean? Let me see here. Oh, 10 months ago. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Go subscribe to them, man. XG, and see what the fuss is about. They're gonna be up there. They got millions and millions and millions of views, boy. That look. They be hitting them 10 mil marks and stuff like that. So shout out to XG. The apples are in the building. With all that said, y'all know the vibes. It's the old man on the block. I just want to be in my spot. And that's right here. Damn it.